Yo ya casi estoy listo para barrio.
Look at that brand new LS, haven't even drove it. Just been sitting here, bro. 3 years without a drive. I got this car 2.5 years ago, and I still ain't got it back. I took it to KHP. They took about a year and a half to even get my engine in. All this is brand new. All this shit is new. It's been just collecting dust, man. Look at that. Haven't drove it. I haven't drove the fucking car. Then I brought it here. They're about a year in. Just shit takes forever, man. It takes forever. This is a build. Brand new paint. They still got another coat because the colors don't match. You gotta do another coat. They still haven't done suspension, the rims. They started with the interior. It's almost like spray paint. They spray paint that. My digital Dakota dash. Hey, I got my Lamborghini before the fucking car, and I got this first. I got the new carpet in. Hey, what's going on, guys? If you're in the Texas area and you're looking for epoxy materials, we are a one-stop shop to everything epoxy with 3 locations in Houston, Austin, and San Antonio. If you need addresses, look them up on Google or call our main office at 832-813-8260. Peace.
Every night to dream any dream you wanted to dream. And that you could, for example, have the power within one night to dream 75 years of time. Or any length of time you wanted to have. And after several nights of 75 years of total pleasure each, finally you would dream where you are now. We know that we know. And so there came a point in our evolution when we didn't guide life by distrusting our instincts.